Steve at EstateMax here. We are in Hagerstown, Maryland, just next to Pennsylvania Avenue, near the Hagerstown Airport, Saturday and Sunday only. It's a 2-day sale. There's a ton of stuff here. We have tons of stuff spread out over every layer and level of this house, from junk to treasure. There is tons to explore, and 2 outbuildings. From trash to treasure, if you are a repurposer, there's tons of stuff for you. If you want an excellent camera outfit, we have that too. Just in time for Christmas, we have your special, hard to find kitchen items. We even have things like Hummels, old clocks. That's an antique kerosene lantern too. I like these Hummels. Hummels, we call them. Downstairs in the basement, we have some real treasures. How about this excellent Victrola set in really good shape? Or this old crank telephone that actually still cranks. Maybe it's Andy Griffith. True antiques, old oil lamps, old furniture. How about this 1960s stove set? It's pretty neat. Here's a walk around the perimeter for you. Here's a real singer. From assisted living to art. Here's George Washington from your $1 bill. From flatware to a really cool chess set. From wicker, cool dresser set, RCA stereo, albums upstairs and down. Know any collectors of hockey cards? Here's a shot of the utility room coming through. This is just the outer utility room, not including the inner utility room. Be prepared to dig for treasure, but there's stuff everywhere. I mean stuff. A walk to the shed and see my finger. There's a fully outfitted shed with all the power tools and gardening tools you could want. Unassembled patio furniture, tools, ladders, umbrellas, coolers, miscellaneous gas cans and tanks. Make us an offer zone. The whole house is loaded with unmarked stuff. You can make us an offer. We're not going to say no. How about a Troy-built pony tractor? It's only about 5 years old. Selling for $399 final price. That's my finger again. So join us in Hagerstown, Maryland for a 2-day sale, Saturday and Sunday only. Address will be announced on our Facebook page entitled EstateMax, EstateMAX, just like it sounds, or look us up under Hagerstown Sales on estatesales.org or estatesales.net. It's worth a trip. Things are cheap. Again, the address, near Pennsylvania Avenue and the airport in Hagerstown. Address to be announced on Friday.